Hey, welcome back everybody. I've got a couple of items from Klein tools to show you. These are their impact rated flip sockets. We've got the SAE version and the metric version. Package is right here. This is for the SAE. You can take a snapshot there of all of the sizes that are offered. It's the 7-in-1, and this one here is the 6-in-1, and it's metric. We'll get into the reason why this one is 6-in-1 and this one is 7-in-1 here in a moment. But the SAE is 32933 for the model number, and the metric is 32933M for the model number. But again, there's the sizes on both of them if you want to check those out. But they're really, really nice. I pulled them out of the package and really impressed with them. If you guys haven't had a look at what these flip sockets are all about, so this is the SAE version, and you can see that you have all of these sockets basically on this shaft, and each socket flips. So you've got a 1/2 inch and a 9/16 on this one, 7/16, 3/8 on this one, and a 5/16 and a 1/4 on this one. So you can pull these off of the shaft and put them in any orientation that you want. So say you have to use a 3/8, you can set that up for 3/8, and then use any bit driver handle that you have. In this case, we use this Vera, sorry. Put it on there, and you're all set. You've got yourself a driver. Really, really, really good and easy to use. Again, like so, say you wanted to use it in an impact, you can put it in your impact, and you're ready to go. So really impressed with it. They're easy to use, very handy, something that you can put inside of your bag, and it's going to be readily accessible, and something that you can really hang on to, and you're not going to have 100 pieces all over the place, because you've got the advantage of having them all on this shaft. So so this is the SAE version, and we were going to talk about why the SAE is a 7-in-1 and the metric is a 6-in-1, and why that is. Well, on the 1/4 inch head here, if you pull up on that, you're going to see a little print of a Phillips head screw bit there. So what you can do is you can get yourself a 1/4 inch bit and put it in there, and then you've got yourself a bit driver. So really handy. So there's the additional use in making it 7-in-1. Another nice thing that you can do with this is if you have a ratcheting wrench. So this is the little icon. You can put that on there, utilize it that way. Like I said, you can put it on a bit driver head. You can put it on your impact, since it's impact rated, and you've got really a lot of different methods that you can utilize it. So I think that's about it on these. Really good tools, something you definitely want to check out. I'll put links down below where you can have a look at these, along with some of the other tools that we featured here today. But another cool offering, another innovative offering from Klein Tools. So check them out, guys.